Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add someone on Jodel. So first of all, launch open Jodel application. You can see over here Jodel application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you would like to add someone on Jodel, it is actually very simple. There is no direct option for adding the friends, but what you can do is simply send them the request. For that, what you have to do is first of all find the post of the person that you want to send the request to. After you do that, tap on that particular post. Now you can see over here that post will be opened. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see OZ written. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. You can unlock the full chat if you want, or you can also send the VIP request or chat request. Simply tap on the type of the request that you would like to send. For the VIP request, you need the subscription. So I'm just going to tap on this option, chat request. Now you can see over here the request has been sent to that person. Now when this person accepts your request, they will be added to your chat section and you'll be able to chat with them. So like this, you'll be able to add someone. So that is how you add someone on Jodel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.